Hello, welcome to 4D Dig. Word is the most common text editing office software around the world. And sometimes you accidentally delete Word document or you close it without saving it, which causes a disaster that ruins our work. Don't worry, we are here to help you. In today's video, we will show you 4 methods to help you recover unsaved Word files. Before starting, I invite you to subscribe to our channel so then you won't miss other tutorials. Method 1. Check the recycle bin. First, you can check the recycle bin. Double-click the recycle bin and find the deleted Word document. Right-click it and choose Restore. Then your Word document is back to the original location. Then, if the recycle bin was emptied, I'll recommend the most efficient way to recover unsaved Word files. Method 2. Recover deleted document by 4D Dig Data Recovery Free. 4D Dig Data Recovery Free is a professional software that can scan your computer and find out any lost data. Moreover, you can get 100 MB free if you share it on social media. Download and install 4D Dig Data Recovery. Launch it, and you will see the home page. Click the share button. You will get 100 MB free to try. Now, select the location and scan it. Select the types you want to scan. 4D Dig starts to scan and find all possible data from the drive. Once you find the file, select it, click Recover, and save it to a different location. Now, your files are back on your computer again. If you want to recover an unsaved document since forgot to save Word or Word crashed, you can move to Method 3. Method 3. Recover unsaved document by AutoRecover. First, open the Word and create a new blank document. Click on File and see the option below. Click Option, then go to Save. You can see AutoRecover file location. Copy and paste the address to File Explorer. You will see all unsaved files. You can also customize the frequency of AutoRecover saving. Method 4. Recover unsaved document by browse recent unsaved files. First, open the Word, then go to File on the top menu and click Info. You will see Manage Document. You can see there is an unsaved Word document Verison below. You can click it, or click on Manage Document to browse the previous unsaved Word. Don't forget to save Word document this time. Alright, this is all for today. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe us. See you guys in the next video.